हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ मिस म्याऊ।
A is for ant, march, march, march. B is for bunny, sing hot like two. C is for camel, walk, walk, walk. D is for dog, woof, woof, woof. E is for eagle, soar, 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 soar. F is for frog, jump, jump, jump. G is for giraffe, stretch, stretch, stretch. H is for horse, neigh, 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 neigh. I is for insect, buzz, buzz, buzz. J is for jaguar, run, run, run. K is for koala, hug, hug, hug. L is for lizard, crawl, 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 crawl. M is for monkey, swing, swing, swing. N is for narwhal, spin, spin, spin. O is for otter, splash, splash, splash. P is for peacock, dance, dance, dance. Q is for quokka, smile, smile, smile. R is for raccoon, clap, clap, clap. S is for sheep, bow, bow, bow. T is for turtle, slow, slow, slow. U is for unicorn, trot, trot, trot. V is for viper, hiss, hiss, hiss. W is for wolf, howl, 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 howl. X is for cirrus, dig, dig, dig. Y is for yak, snort, snort, snort. Z is for zebra, gallop, 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 gallop.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मिस म्याऊ के चैनल को